So Larry, I wanted us to quickly discuss when we're making a taper tube, especially looking for a faster transition with softer durometer materials, how does having a shorter distance between the hot face of your die and the entry of our puller make a difference for you?
Well, Bob, as you know, the shorter the line is, the less the rubber band effect is of the soft material, of the flexible material in between the lines. So you get a better response between what happens at the puller and what happens at the die, which is, it's almost impossible to get it as a one-to-one relationship with the softer, lower durometer polymers, but the shorter is better.
So having a 3-foot vacuum tank may further enhance the process over even a 5-foot tank.
Well, you'll see here from the die face to over here to the belt nip point is less than 60 inches, which is shorter than what a 5-foot tank is.
And could you also explain why vacuum can actually be used as a process aid so we can get nice and close and when you go from the small to the large diameter?
Well, when you're in close with the tank, one of the biggest problems with taper tube is the opening has to be large enough for the larger size to fit in. Now, if you've got a larger diameter relative to your smaller diameter than normal, if it's 3, 4, or 5 times bigger, what happens is when you draw down to the smaller size, water has a tendency to rush out. So you can't get in close to be able to get those good sharp transitions.
Because if you're in close, that water would actually splash out and freeze off your die.
Yes. So what happens is when you have vacuum, you can have a very large opening, just using enough vacuum to hold the water back, get your tank in real close to the die and get your sharp transitions, as well as ensuring that you're actually cooling around the circumference evenly.
So getting real close to that hot face of the die in comparison to where it hits the water, that shorter distance will help us get a faster transition.
Absolutely.
Very good, thank you.